Are you looking for the best Mitersaw blades in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best Mitersaw blades that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita 10-inch Mitersaw blade. The Makita, a 93-681 10-inch 80-tooth micro-polished Mitersaw blade silver, features an ADAF tooth design for ultra-precision cutting. A Japanese ultra-thin kerf carbide tip design for smoother cuts with less motor drag. Fully hardened and expertly hand-tensioned steel saw plates for true cuts. And micro-grain carbide teeth honed with up to 600 grit for a mirror finish. This blade is designed to provide efficient, accurate, and precise cuts every time. Up next in the 4th place is the Freud D1244X Diablo 12 inches 44-tooth Mitersaw blade. This 12x44T Diablo blade is manufactured in Italy and offers easy-to-use features such as laser cut stabilizer vents that reduce noise and vibration, and laser cut heat expansion slots that keep the cut true and straight. The durable micrograin titanium carbide ensures extreme durability, razor-sharp cuts, and maximum life. The tri-metal shock-resistant brazing allows carbide tips to last longer, and the laser cut arbor ensures accurate blade rotation, reducing vibration and premature wear. The 3rd product on our list is the FOXBC 12-inch Mitersaw blade. The FOXBC Mitersaw blade is designed to provide exceptional cutting performance. With its 80 teeth and a thin kerf, you can achieve incredibly smooth cuts on both hardwoods and softwoods. The laser cut stabilizer vents help minimize noise and vibration, ensuring the blade stays cool during operation and reducing the risk of warp. Made from high-quality tungsten carbide, this blade is not only durable but also wear-resistant, promising a long-lasting service life. This makes it an ideal choice for fine finish crosscuts, allowing you to work with confidence and precision. Second on our list is the Janchi 3-pack combo 12-inch woodworking saw blades. Upgrade your woodworking game with the Janchi woodworking blades combo. Crafted with tough tungsten carbide teeth and fully hardened steel bodies, these blades are built to last through the toughest cutting tasks. The thin kerf and adby teeth design ensure quick, smooth, and precise cuts, minimizing material waste. Compatible with most 12-inch miter saws, these blades are perfect for DIY enthusiasts, woodworkers, carpenters, and contractors, allowing you to achieve professional quality results effortlessly. Finally, the top product on our list is the Makita 10 inches 100T polished Mitersaw blade. The Makita 10 inches 100T polished Mitersaw blade features an ADAF tooth design for ultra-precision cutting. Its thin kerf carbide tip design provides smoother cuts with less drag on the motor and minimal material loss. The blade is fully hardened and expertly hand-tensioned steel saw plates for true cuts. The carbide tooth design ensures quality cuts and longer life. Additionally, the micro-grain carbide teeth are honed with up to 600 grit for a mirror finish. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.